Hey, beautiful people, welcome back. So, today we have Bespoke. Go check them out on their website. This is geared towards the outdoorsy type person, a lot of men outdoor activity type, but for the outdoor lovers, adventurers, you know? So let's see. This is a mystery item, and if you sign up every month, there is a monthly fee, and you can pick a category from whichever one that you want. So if you want something that's more fashion related, or if you want something that's mainly outdoors, material like some of the other ones that I've showed you, or maybe you want a sporty jacket. Sometimes they have luxury looking backpacks for outdoors. Let's just see what's in this mystery one, and is it really worth it? Okay, so I have featured Bespoke on the channel before. I do have another one coming up soon, so stay tuned if you're looking for gift ideas. Definitely something you want to look into, because this is unique, and I like finding unique things to share. So it comes in this type of cardboard, but again, it's a mystery. Ooh, okay, so it says the Portland Rain Jacket by Line of Trade. Okay, field tested, and it gives us a little glimpse. So you can see it's got some beading on there on this guy standing in the rain. So you can see he's not getting wet. Downpour. Okay, nicely packaged. Let me give you the full scope here. I love how they package their items. So Line of Trade is the company. And this says that it's a large Portland rain jacket in the color Midnight. So, ooh, and it even has a zipper type opening. So even more fancy packaging. So there we go. Let's take it out. Okay, so you can see that it's midnight, so it has like that bluish black, matte black finish. Okay, so with the hood, and it's lined on the inside, and it's got the tag. We have the hood here, which has these drawstring also lined throughout. I hope you guys are seeing that. Very well stitched, and adjustable head strap here. So if it's really pouring, you definitely have like the astronaut type coverage. It's got a little lip here to go over, and then long sleeves, of course, with the Velcro adjust. Nicely lined, I'm gonna say. And there's also pockets, snap pockets. Very deep, so you could fit your phone here. Double-sided pocket feature. Okay, let's pull out the other sleeve. Give you the full scope. That's a big jacket. And I'm gonna say that that's probably past the waist length. Have you guys heard of this company specifically? The Line of Trade. And here's the barcode, if any of you want to scan that while you're watching this. And just go check out the price, because I think it's totally worth it. Button snaps here all the way down, and you have a zipper. So full button, full zipper, all the way down the entire jacket. This is a great, great gift for somebody who really is outdoors, camper. You have some drawstrings here as well, just to make sure you get a snug fit and you're not getting poured on. Let me check the back since we looked at the front. Just a plain back, nothing too fancy, but definitely a great gift idea. So if you are into hunting, fishing, anything outdoors, I would think that this would be a great idea. Let me know down below in the comments, guys. And if you haven't checked out Bespoke, go check them out. Let me show you the name again right here, Bespoke. And this was line of trade rain jacket, raincoat. All right, guys. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe.